Hey guys, this is Seismic Sales. Haven't seen you in so long. Why? Because I've been in Japan and I've got this for you guys. But first, let's do this opening unboxing of a item I bought from Whatnot. I'll be right back. In this video, we're going to show you what I bought from Japan, which is this guy. He is an Ultraman. I don't know which Ultraman. I found this in Shibuya by the Shibuya Crossing store called the Mandrake. So if you're ever in Japan and you're at the Shibuya Crossing, you know, the one where everybody's walking, like 1,000 people or something like that, look for the Mandrake toy store and you'll see some vintage toys. This cost me 1,000 yen, which is the equivalent to like $6. He is sealed, however, it says opened. I don't know what the deal is. I don't want to open it. When I decide to sell it on eBay, that's when I'll open it. It does read open on a lot of items over there. I don't know if they displayed it and put it back. She's just here to keep us company. Okay, I bought this off of Whatnot from a company called Golden Touch Dealz. I'll put their link in my description below. But let's do this real quick unboxing. Also, I have an announcement to make. Stay tuned or to the end or to the middle or after the credits and see what my announcement is. There. This is called a butterfly knife. It's from the Philippines. What's up, Pinoys? Okay. Oh, hey, these guys are good on Whatnot. They're fast. They open up mystery boxes, but I really don't like the peanuts. Okay, check this out. No packing slip, but that's fine. Here we go. It's a sonic toothbrush. What am I doing? By Filian Pro U17 Sonic Electronic Toothbrush. At Costco or other places, these electronic toothbrushes, Sonic, is going for like $59. This gives you heads. This has 6 heads. Okay, this is a Philips or Filian Pro. They were fast. They were really good. Guess how much I bought this? I won this from their Whatnot channel or their Whatnot live stream for $17. Woohoo! And these are like $50 at Costco. So I'm excited to start brushing my teeth. I haven't brushed my teeth in a couple of years. Golden Touch, check them out on Whatnot. I'll put their link to their live stream below and you guys can check them out. I am not affiliated with them. They're not paying me. I just really think I got a really good deal. So my problem was, I paid $8 and $8 shipping for this one item for $17. So if I would have bought 3 of these, 3 separate auctions within that show, the $8 would have been divided by all 3. That's what I was planning to do, was to buy more. But when I bought this from Golden Touch Dealz, it was their last auction, so I couldn't buy 2 more items. Golden Touch Dealz on Whatnot. I'll put the link below. Oh, wait a minute. So here's my update and here's my announcement I wanted to make. I am going to Whatnot. I'll have my live show today, which by the time you see this video will be Friday, the 12th at 7:30 Pacific time. So my link's below. For Whatnot, I'm not affiliated, but if you want to see me sell some stuff, so I got a lot of action figures, no silver. I know a lot of eBay guys follow me as well. So I'll be showing a lot of my action figures, some DC, some Marvel, some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, or TMNT as you youngsters call them. Yeah, there you go. That's it for me. This is Seismic Sales. I'm signing up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the link below if you want to watch my Whatnot. You get like $5 or something like that. So I don't know the whole deal. I'll put the link to my store. This is again Seismic Sales signing off. Take care. Have a great weekend. Hope to see you Friday night, 7:30 p.m. on Whatnot. It's called Psycho Man, SYCOMAN on Whatnot. This is Seismic Sales. I am out like gout. You guys, this is my first show. Come out and join us. These are just a taste of what I got. I got a whole storage unit full of toys from the 90s, all sealed, great condition. Come join us for my first show. SYCOMAN.